Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the Tusk LED light bar brackets for the Kawasaki KRX4 1000. This is available for the 4 and the 2-seat models. This is hands down the easiest, most simple way to get a light bar mounted up to your machine. So these brackets are made from powder coated steel, so they're strong, they look good, they install super easily. They actually just utilize the factory mounting locations right on the roll cage, so you don't have to do any modification to get those on. And what's nice is that they're designed to work specifically with the Tusk 40-inch curved or straight light bar. So you don't have to buy the brackets and try and figure out, okay, what size light bar is going to fit in there? Do I need spacers? You don't have to worry about any of that. You just buy this kit and it all mounts up perfectly together. So you can buy the brackets by themselves, but we have the kit available that comes with the light bar. The Tusk 40-inch light bar, it's a great high quality light bar at a really good price point. And again, it's going to come with the wiring harness for the light bar. We've got it mounted up right now with the Tusk profile aluminum roof as well as the Tusk folding glass windshield. This will work with other aftermarket roofs. Just keep in mind that you might have to do some modification depending on the roof that you have. But like I said, if you have a KRX4 1000 looking to get a light bar set up, this is the easiest, best way to do it. So if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure leave those down below. To grab one for yours, it is simple. Click the link, head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And as you can see, we've got a lot of other great accessories for the KRX4 1000. So to see everything that'll fit your side-by-side, whether it's a KRX or not, just enter the year, make, and model on the product page, and you're gonna be good to go. If you like this video and you wanna stay up to date, get subscribed, hit that notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.